Hey YouTube family, welcome back to the channel, Keats60 Hotshot Adventures. And for another vehicle today, we are working on a 97 Jeep Wrangler. I believe this is the SE model. I'm not super familiar with all the Jeep models, there's so many of them. Anyways, this one has the 2.5 liter. And we replaced the alternator and just put the belt on. Needed a new belt. The alternator seized and took the belt with it. The belt pretty much smoked and popped. So, the routing is from the crank. It comes around here, around the water pump, comes across to the alternator, to the AC pump, goes under this idler here, back across, comes around your power steering, and around that idler, which is also your tensioner. So I found with this particular Jeep that the part number for all the major parts stores is a 910 K's and kilos 6. That is a 91-inch belt. I had problems where it would not fit. I was about a half inch. I needed more. So I went back up to the parts store and I picked up a 920 K6 belt. And that is the one that I currently put on. I probably could have got away with going with a 915 K6, which would have been a 91.5 inch belt. Would have probably been perfect. One difference is I just had to move the tensioner up a little bit further. So to do that, to put a belt on or off, the bolt down here is a 15. Loosen that up about 1 or 2 turns. And then once you do that, on the back side, I don't think I'm going to be able to get you back there. There's this bolt right there. That bolt right there. That is a long threaded bolt that goes all the way down to the back of that idler. I literally don't know if I'm going to be able to get you in there to see it. Let's see. Doubt it. Yep, there it is. There's a long threaded bolt that goes down to the back side of that pulley. Anyways, that is a 15 millimeter as well, and I just used a 3/8 with about a 4-inch extension, maybe 6, and you just turn it in or turn it out as need be to get your belt as tight or as loose as you want it. I usually go for about a 1/2 inch is about usually what I shoot for when I'm getting the belt tight. Anyways, that's a quick tip. Alright everyone, have a good night.